Hey guys, did you know that poor oral health can lead to much more than just bad breath? It can cause pain, gum disease, infections, and even increase the risk of heart problems and a weakened immune system. Not to mention the loss of confidence when you're afraid to smile. But what if I told you there's a natural, simple, and powerful way to fix that from the inside out? Let me introduce you to ProDentim, a chewable probiotic supplement that's helping thousands of people around the world achieve stronger teeth, healthier gums, and naturally fresher breath without harsh chemicals or painful treatments. Unlike most mouthwashes and toothpastes that only mask the problem, ProDentim works at the root cause by restoring the balance of good bacteria in your mouth. That means fewer harmful bacteria, better protection, and a healthier smile. How it can change your life. Imagine waking up with a clean, fresh mouth, no bleeding when brushing, no bad breath, and no fear of smiling in public. ProDentim could be your first step toward not just better oral hygiene, but a better quality of life overall. And yes, it's already working for thousands of people who are seeing real results in just a few weeks. If you want to learn more about ProDentim or if you're ready to try it for yourself, just click the link in the description below. Don't waste time on temporary fixes. Invest in real, lasting oral health today. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more honest health product reviews. And tell me in the comments, have you heard of ProDentim before? Would you give it a try?